Advisories in the Gorge.
Oh yeah, so the Gorge now, watching them really closely for that potential for maybe even some heavy snow to develop there. So we have winter weather advisories highlighted in blue, and you can see where that's happening. So that's east of Multnomah Falls, back through this whole area. Here's the thing, so temperatures right now are really in the upper 30s to low 40s, so that's too warm for snow. What's going to happen is this rain's going to come in, and it'll come down as rain, but as it continues to fall, we can see those temperatures by morning come right to the freezing mark. So there's going to be that fine line, and once it sets in, if temperatures get to freezing, that's when you're going to be talking all kinds of problems. So this is a good heads up that you'll want to check in here and see what's going on, because it could be a mess. That said, temperatures don't quite get to 32 degrees, and we'll just be dealing with some rain out there. So we'll be watching this really closely. Then of course, highlighted in pink, we're already seeing the snow in those areas. We have winter storm warnings in effect. That goes for the upper Hood River Valley, for the Cascades, and parts of central and eastern Oregon. Bend under that winter weather advisory with several inches forecast for that area overnight tonight. Now back to the valley in the metro area. Flood watch is back up yet again, because we're going to be tapping into some really deep moisture and more hefty rain totals. Take a look at what's happening out there right now. It started off as a light rain, but we're starting to see that heavier stuff push on in. Of course, we're already starting to see the snow developing on the mountains. Keep in mind that rain rates later tonight and into tomorrow morning could be up around ½ an inch per hour. So that means when you wake up, we're going to be dealing with potentially ponding on the roads and low visibility. And look where that moisture is coming from. It's coming from the tropical region. So a ton of it moving in, and we're just gearing up for another round of very wet weather.
Oh, a lot to keep an eye on, Kristen. Thank you. And our